Alright, today we are going to make a video of how to get your transcripts from Pittsburgh State University. Easiest way I've found to do it is go to the Pitt State homepage, click the search icon, search transcript, and then it will take you to transcript and diploma reprint. You'll need to order an official transcript online. Now, here's all the information about it. It says right here that transcript fees are $10 each when mailed and faxed or picked up at the counter or anything else. So it's $10. So make sure that you have everything taken care of. You can do a transcript release form right here. You can fill it out and then order it by mail by sending a check. Easiest way, in my opinion, is to go to the official transcript icon. It will take you to this ordering center. Read all of this stuff. Order your transcripts. You have these three sections to complete. So one, you will input all of your personal information into this. Once I'm not putting my stuff in there. Then step 2 will be select transcript and delivery details. So this is where you will put your next college if it's not PSU. If it is PSU, you do not have to do this. PSU will automatically get PSU grades. Any other school, you will need to do this. So you will select, you will put in where you need it to go, all of the identifying information from your new college. Then you'll go to confirm, order, and check out. So then you will pay for it. Most likely it will be, they'll have either a PayPal account or something like that, but have a credit card available when you go to do it for $10. So that is how you get your transcripts from Pittsburgh State to whatever college you want it to go to.